You're about to discover 10 of the weirdest websites on the internet that actually pay you real money. These aren't your typical survey sites. Some of them are so bizarre, you won't believe they're real, but they are. Stick around for number 10, it's one of the most creative passive income hacks I've ever seen. 1. InboxDollars. InboxDollars pays you to do things you already do online, watch videos, check emails, take surveys, and even play games. It's like turning your lazy scrolling time into a money-making machine. Pro tip: use their TV feature and let the videos play in the background while you do something else. Average earnings: $30 to $100 per month. Website: InboxDollars.com. 2. Misplay. Love mobile games? Misplay lets you earn points by playing new games on your Android device. These points can be redeemed for gift cards from Amazon, Google Play, and more. Heads up, the longer you play, the more you earn. Some users literally grind games and cash out weekly. Best for gamers who already spend hours on their phones. Website: misplay.com. 3. User testing. Companies pay you $10 to $60 per test to visit their websites and give honest feedback. All you need is a mic and a clear voice. You'll get prompts like, "What do you think of this homepage?" Just speak your thoughts as you browse. Big money tip: tests go fast, so keep the tab open to catch new ones. Website: usertesting.com. 4. Slice the pie. This one's for music lovers. You listen to songs, rate them, and give feedback, and you get paid for it. The better your feedback, the more you earn. It's like being a music critic with benefits. Bonus: they also let you review fashion and ads. Website: slicethepie.com. 5. RentAFriend. Yes, this is a real site. RentAFriend lets you get paid to be a companion. Not romantically, just someone to chat, hang out, or help others practice language skills. It's big with people traveling to new cities or looking for local insight. Top earners: $50 to $100 per hour. Website: rentafriend.com. 6. Fiverr's weird gigs. Fiverr isn't just for logo design or writing. People get paid hundreds to scream someone's name in the forest, dress as Santa and roast your ex, or pretend to be a time traveler. If you've got a crazy idea, turn it into a paid gig. Top weird gigs: prank videos, funny voiceovers, I'll break up with your boyfriend calls. Website: fiverr.com. 7. Just Answer. Are you an expert in anything, like law, medicine, pets, tech? People post questions, and you get paid to give answers. Even if you're not a licensed pro, you can still earn if you provide helpful advice and prove expertise. Top experts make $2,000 to $7,000 per month. Website: justanswer.com. 8. Neighbor. Think Airbnb, but for storage. Got an empty garage or closet? Rent it out to people who need cheap storage. Some people even rent out parking spaces and make monthly income for doing nothing. Set it and forget it passive income. Website: neighbor.com. 9. Gigwalk. Gigwalk pays you to complete micro tasks around your neighborhood. Things like snapping a photo of a product at Walmart, checking if signs are in place, or testing if a store is open. All tasks are listed in an app. You choose what to do and get paid after. Good for students, dog walkers, or DoorDash drivers stacking extra cash. Website: Gigwalk.com. 10. Camel. Weird name. Brilliant idea. Camel tracks Amazon prices over time. Here's the trick. You use affiliate links to share deals when prices drop, and earn a commission every time someone buys. It's perfect for social media, Telegram channels, or blog owners. Set it up once, let it roll. Website, camel.com. Now that you know the weirdest ways people are getting paid online, which one are you going to try? Comment below. I read every single one. And if you want a part 2, smash that like button and subscribe, because we're just getting started. Side Hustle Engine is where your 9-5 ends and freedom begins.